Just going to do a quick video of how to fix Mini Cooper R50 and R53 airbag light. This one's 2003 Mini R50, but it's exactly the same on an R53 and the R52 convertible. So what we've done, we've hooked it up to the snap-on scanner. Just going to do a quick code read of the airbag system. Read the fault codes. So we've got a driver's belt tensioner fault. There's two fixes for this. It'll guarantee it'll be the plug that's faulty. You can either solder it back together and loop it. You can replace the driver's belt tensioner, which is the correct fix, or if you're just wanting to get the light off for a temporary fix to get it through its MOT or something like that, this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing you need to do is figure out which plug it is underneath the seat you need to be looking at. There's a little tool that looks like this that you can buy off eBay for about 10 or 15 pounds. And what it does, you plug these two wires into your plug underneath the seat, and then you've got a selection of ohm readings. I know from experience on the minis you want 2.2 ohm. So if we go under the seat now, you see a yellow and a blue plug. The driver's tensioner is the blue plug. The yellow one is for the side airbags. You can do both, but just to clear the light off, we just need to take the blue plug out. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tool. Just bear with me a second. Just get a light on there so you can see. So we've got my ohm reading tool plugged into the pins in the plug, and that's taking the airbag light off. So once you know what ohm you've got, if you've got another make or model, there's a selection of ohms which you should be able to see. It goes from 0 right up to 6.8. You just need to flick through. Some models you got to clear the code every time you flick, but on minis, yeah, the early minis is 2.2 ohms. So what you can buy also off eBay, they're not too expensive, it's about £2 for a pack, 2.2 ohm resistors, and all you need to do is get a resistor. I'll show you now. Bend it like that, like a staple. Plug that into your plug on the car side of it, not your seat side. So you'll have something hopefully looking like that. Sorry, the camera quality is pretty poor. Yeah, you should be able to see the resistor in there. Once you're happy it's cleared the light, sometimes you do have to reset the fault codes. Once you're happy it's cleared the light, I'd just bend that back and get some insulation tape around it so the resistor doesn't drop out, and then you can cable tie or neatly tie the plug back up under the seat so it doesn't get kicked or come out when you slide the seat back and forth. So let's just have a go now at clearing the code, see if it works. So what I'll do first, as you can see the light's still on, we'll turn the ignition off and back on. Come out with this. I'm going to clear codes. Clear codes completed. Go back into read codes. No codes present, and then just confirm that's fixed. That, start the car back up, and hopefully The airbag light will flash, but it should go off. Oh no. We'll have to stop communication with the machine first, actually. Start back up again. Yeah, all fixed, light off. Just to remind you, it's a 2.2 ohm resistor for minis, 2001 to 2006, and then the convertibles 2001 to 2008, and that'll fix your problem. Thanks for watching.